people, my name is 100 Pony Gaming, and today we're playing Flee the Facility. Whoa, guys, both of them, the Beast and the Survivor, are worse. This girl knows how to, this girl figures out how to close the door. And this guy does not know how to freeze people. Hashtag, yeah. She does not know how to escape. Hashtag worst survivor and worst beast ever. They're gonna waste all of the time. No one has said anything yet, so I'm gonna close them. Close the chat. Whoa, this girl does not know what to do. She's just looking at the vending machine. And just staying in this place for the 3 minutes. The whole 3 minutes. I don't know what in the heck is she doing. I don't know her in real life. Seriously, I don't know her in real life. And I don't know anyone in. This guy is doing a bad job. And this girl does not know what to do. She's going to waste all of her freaking 1 minute. Basically, when she's survived it, I will basically help her around. Yeah, let's skip this, because this might take forever. She only have, legit, 2 minutes and 45 seconds left. Legit. Come on, girl. Just escape. But come on. Okay. Oh well. She won't escape. She won't have anything. Oh, maybe she's going to escape. Come on, girl. Just escape. Come on. Escape. Come on, escape. Oh, hell no. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. I know you know how to close doors. You're lagging a little. Stop lagging. Stop lagging. The beast is right there. Oh my goodness, the beast was so close to her. Come on, girl, you only have 1 minute. 1 minute and 45 seconds left. I have a big feeling she's in her mobile or iPad, whatever. Come on, go to the exit. Come on. You know what the beast does? She only smacks the survivor and leaves him there. Not gonna lie. My goodness, this girl does not know what to do. When did she join? Let's guess. And we're gonna check her profile. She legit joined, yesterday. Hello, people. I'm Angel Girl. Hello. Na 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 na. I can't sing. Hello, girl who did not win. This is basically my favorite map. Whoa. I have a feeling. She joined yesterday, this girl. I'm just repeating if you don't know. So, yeah. She actually is in mobile because you can tell she's, slow. Alright. Let's begin the facility. Alrighty then. We're Survivor. Ooh, computer. Anywho, my real level is level 25. Not gonna lie. If I go to my other account, don't fail. Thank you. The game lagged for a second. Legit second. Drink of water. What the heck? So, who's failing? Don't tell me it's the wolf girl. Don't tell me it's wolf girl who's failing. I don't want to come to her. She sent me a friend request. this account joined way earlier than 100 Pony Gaming. Way earlier. Oh my goodness. I don't know what time. I don't know, like, what day I was a guest. Maybe 2014. I don't know. Whoops! I failed. But I'm almost done. Not gonna lie. Ooh, ooh, ooh. My special. Oh, you scared me! You scared me! Whoa! What the heck? Oh, I'm so sorry, Duz. Hello, guy. Hello, guy. Are you okay? You don't look okay. You're floating. Can I carry you? Thank you. Now you're not doing... Weird. Who is the beast? Let me check. Oh, it's that girl from last round! Ah! It's a girl from last round who did not escape. I should stop judging her. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, the lags. The lags, guys. The lags is killing me. There we go. I hate the lags. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, girl. Let's team. Let's team. Over here. Over here. There's a computer. You close the door. Yeah, you close the door. I'll go to the unsafest place. There's a freezer right there. I know that, but I might not get captured. Stop failing! In the purple room. Guys, how do I know? It's a room beside us. Right. Right. Know what, guys? I don't want to fail. You know why I chose this outfit for JNS? Because this is what my imaginary friend looks like in real life. Trust me. She's blonde. She's blonde and she has blue eyes. Some imaginary friends are fluffy, like an elephant. Flash. Yeah. If you've watched Inside Out, yeah. Bing bong. Har har har. Ha ha ha. Whoops! Sorry! Sorry, girl. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, are you okay? Are you okay? Sorry. I'm sorry if I close the door in your face. No! 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 Help me! Or never mind. I'm just smacked. Alright. See you in exit. Guys, we leveled up. We're level 8. Yeah. I'm level 25. Still! Oh! Sorry, that was a fake vomit. I hope nobody hates it. Actually, they hate it. They hate people barfing on their face. Kitty power. Kitty power on the Power Rangers. Kitty Power Rangers. Kitty power. JNS. You know why I picked this username? Because I use it all the time in some games. And now I'm not using it anymore. That username. Don't eat the flower! I hate flowers! Alright, step right Angel's coming to town. Oh, hi, Wolf. Ow! Mr. Howell. I mean, Mrs. Howell. Get it? Mrs. Howell. Because she's a wolf. Ah! Stop failing! Does she even know how to hack? Wow. I just hacked one computer. That's all that takes. I'm a dangerous beast, guys. I'm not contagious, but I smell the rock. I hate rocks. I don't want to eat rocks. Eating rocks are, yeah. Ugh. Who eats rock? Don't look at me. Transgender. He's transgender. Emma Coke. Ah! Why is there a transgender person? 911. I'll call 911 on you. Emma Choke 911. Ah! Why you call 911 for that username? You transgender guy. Like, who legit puts their girlfriend's name right there? His username is so weird. Alright. Emma Choke is not the beast. That's okay. I don't care. Who is it? It's Kitty Power. Kitty Power! Kitty Power Rangers. Ah! Bah-ha-ha-ha. One time I called someone, they're level, I don't know, 50, 80, I don't know. I was with my friend Melody and Melody Unicorn, I don't care. And then, yeah, we saw this person whose name La something something. Yeah. She was my friend! Stop failing! And, yeah. It was so hard for her to defeat a level 80 something. I don't know what level she was, but yeah. She was, yeah, a very high level. When we were beasts, I called her Lala Loopsy. What the heck me? Like, who calls someone Lala Loopsy? Because they have a la in their name? I mean username, not name. Who names their character Lala? La! Clear my throat for a second. We're about to end the video, but not yet. I have no idea if Kitty Power Rangers. If people who actually knows the Power Rangers theme song, yeah. Go Kitty Powers. Why am I teasing her so much? Stop failing. Go hack 'em Rangers. Alright. Hacky, hackafo. Hacky, hackafo. What does the fox say? I mean, what does the wolf say? Hacky, hackafo. Hacky, hackafo. Yeah. I'm hacky right now. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching the cringiest moments of my stupid... Never mind. I'm not gonna say anything wrong. Stop failing, people! Alright. Goodbye. Have a good March break.